How to replace the battery in a Homelite electric mower. The Homelite electric mower is a unique mower as it has a battery that runs the mower blades. The Homelite lawn mower is a fairly quiet lawn mower as it doesn't have a combustion engine, but this also means that you will have to plug the mower in every time it loses its charge. Over time the cells on the Homelite lawn mower battery wear out and only hold to charge for minutes. When this happens, you will have to replace the battery in your Homelite mower. Things you will need: wrench set, 24-volt rechargeable Homelite battery. Unscrew the bolts holding the battery case onto the rear of the Homelite mower deck. With the proper sized wrenches, there are usually 6 bolts holding the case over the battery. Slowly remove the case off the battery as there are cords from the plug-in cord attached to the inside of the case. Set the case just off the back of the mower deck. Unscrew the clamp holding the battery down to the mower deck with the correct sized wrenches. Unscrew the positive battery cable. Unscrew the negative battery cable. Remove the battery. Set the new 24-volt rechargeable battery down onto the deck. Connect the negative battery cable. Connect the positive battery cable. Clamp the battery back down to the deck. Replace the cover over the mower and bolt it back down. Tips: warnings. Order your new Homelite battery directly from Homelite or your local mower store.